Why is it important to write down your goals? Goals help us become better version of ourselves. But perhaps you never got into the habit of writing down your goals. The same is true for most people. Hi everyone, this is MS Kumar, trainer and motivational speaker. Fewer than 20% of people reported that they describe their goals in written form. In fact, you are 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down on regular basis. It has to do with how our brain works. When you write down things, you are activating both parts of your brain, the imaginative right hemisphere and the logic-based left hemisphere. This is well known in business community among entrepreneurs and startup owners who use this technique to stay on track with their countless responsibilities. As humans, we process visuals 60,000 times faster than having to imagine things. Based on a recent study, writing down your goals means that you can visually see them. This is an important point because when we see something, it affects how we act. You are more likely to be productive if you can see what you have to do instead of just thinking about it. Reasons to write down your goals. Boost your motivation. This is the most important reason why writing down your goals actually works. You can use goals to motivate your actions. Try to use goals to create habits because habits drive performance. You cannot be in control of everything, but goals help you control at least some of it, enough to achieve results. Think back for a moment. How much time you have spent on thinking about doing something? Is it the same as acting on it? Well, it's not. You need concrete goals to increase your motivation to take action. When you have written down your goals, it creates a sense of urgency to move closer to achieving them. Improve your focus. When you are focused on what you are doing, you are directing your energy towards your goals and you achieve better results. It's easier to set other things aside when you know what you should focus on. Writing goals help you have a clear focus and stay on track. When your goals are clearly defined, it's also easier to eliminate distractions. Reduce your stress level. Moving your goals from head to a written form reduces stress. While it doesn't eliminate the actual stressor, it removes the burden of keeping everything inside. When you have your goals written down, you can have better control over your emotional reactions. After accomplishing your goal, you feel more peace with yourself. Achieve bigger goals. Our goals sometimes feel overwhelming. A good technique is to break them down into smaller parts. Many of us overestimate our abilities when it comes to defining a timeline. Try to make your timeline more realistic and break down your bigger goals down into parts. This is where writing things down comes in handy. Make sure that your targets are concrete and something that can be measured. Track your progress. An important step in process of achieving your goals is to keep a track of your progress. Failures are inevitable and therefore you should keep track of your failures too, in order to avoid making the same mistakes again. When you can see how much progress you have made, you feel encouraged to keep going. Tracking your progress also allows you to identify the best practices. It's a way to remind yourself of what you want to achieve. We get easily distracted and lose our thoughts, but writing things down gets us back on track. We all want to achieve better results. Writing down your goals is a good starting point. It's an easy technique that helps you be more efficient and reduce your stress at the same time. It's your time to give it a try and make the most of your goals. So start writing them from today. Wish you all the best. Do subscribe the channel for more interesting content. Thank you for watching.